Did you know the Spirit of God is within you? In Luke 17:21, Jesus reveals a profound truth. Behold, the kingdom of God is within you. This means that the divine presence is not far away. It resides within your very being. When you awaken to this awareness, you realize that you are a vessel of divine light and wisdom. When have you felt the Spirit of God moving within you? How do you recognize the guidance of your inner voice? What would your life look like if you completely trusted that divine presence? Jesus taught that the kingdom of God is not something to be discovered outside of us, but rather within our own consciousness. When he said, "I am in my Father, and he in me, and I in you," he revealed the eternal unity between the divine and humanity. As above, so below. As within, so without. The spirit within mirrors the Creator's spirit. When you align your inner world with divine truth, your outer life naturally reflects harmony, peace, and purpose. Begin each day by affirming your unity with the divine. Pause often to listen to the quiet voice within you, your spirit's wisdom. Respond to life with love, not fear, remembering that God works through you. You are the living temple of peace, wisdom, and light. I have experienced this firsthand, and I can testify that it has been nothing short of a rewarding journey. Certified Empowerment Life Coach Sharon Pelham, Awaken11-us.org.